Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to continue on with our industrial building we got going here. Um, it's coming along pretty good. So we created our domestic water floor plan and our sanitary floor plan. So let's go and look at that sanitary floor plan. And please, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and start from the beginning. It helps me make these videos. So like, share, and subscribe, please. So here we have our sanitary level, our sanitary floor plan. So this is basically the drainage. So right now I'm going to go here and we need a drain. So I'm going to go to my insert tab here. I'm going to go to component, place component. So we're going to load one in here. Let's go to insert tab. We're going to load family. And that would be under floor drain. So I'm going to hit that one and I'm going to load it. And I'm going to say OK, override existing. And now here, get that out of here. I'm going to go with floor drainage. So there it is. We want to get the 5-inch, 2-inch drain. And we're going to place it in our utility room right about here. Okay, we don't see it, so we have to change our view range here. So in the properties, we're going to go to, again, please subscribe to the channel. Going to my, where is it? View range, tap it here. And so here I'm going to go in my depth. It's going to be minus, I'm going to make this minus 5 inches here, minus 5 feet. Just so we can see that deep. And I'm going to go apply and OK. So now we can see our floor drain, and it's going to be basically, it's on level 1, and that's where we want it. It's at elevation 00, just like the other fixture. So now what we need to do is we need to go into our systems tab and have a look at our mechanical our piping settings. So right here we're going to go and do our classification. So here we want to go with sanitary here. And then the pipe type is going to be PVC. And we're going to go here with, we're going to drop this down minus 2 feet. Same with this one. Our branches are going to be PVC again. And our branches are going to be also minus 2 feet or whatever elevation you would determine you need, and click OK. And so now it's just simply a matter of creating our system. So here we'll go and just select this fixture, and then we'll select piping, and we'll go with sanitary, and then we'll edit the system. Just like electrical and everything else, you edit the system and just go and add the fixtures. Here, 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 and then we got our sink over here. So then you're gonna go with that one, and then we'll say OK. And then we want to select our drain, and we'll finish. And then we'll select this, just tab this, and then we'll generate our layout. There's one. That's probably one I'm going to use. I don't know why I missed my drainage. There it is. So I'm going to go with that one and just connect the pipe for time's sake. And then I'll hit finish. Okay, now we're going to go and make this fine view so we can see our fixtures. And I'm going to do a call out so we can kind of see what's going on with our drainage, because it's got to go there, you know. So I'm going to do a call out view right through here. I'm going to select this guy and bring over here and double click on this. So there's our view, and then we can go into our 3D view now. And we can do a oriented view, floor plans. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, we can do level 1, I'll say sanitary floor plan. There it is, right there. So we're going to open this 3D view and have a look and see what's going on underneath, if it had ever opened. This gets kind of slow. I think this accelerated generator will help there, because that's what that's all about. Okay, so now I'm going to go here and have a look here what's going on underneath. In fact, we can put this into wireframe. There we go. So here's our sanitary system. We call this home view, and I'll make this shaded view, and then we'll just go in here and make some adjustments. I could just pull this down so we can kind of see what's happening under here, or even go from the bottom side. So that's what's neat about this. You can go in here and really see what's going on. So, oh, I cut it out. Alright, so we pull that down now. And let's just go in the wireframe, because we can see better there. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you how to do the sanitary system. So there's our sanitary system here. Actually, I'm going to just take this. I'm going to isolate these elements. I could do that. I'm going to isolate category. There we go. And then let's go back here. I'm going to reset. Then I'm going to take the pipe. Yep, so that's it, guys. We've got a sanitary system in here. A drainage. So I'm going to go back into our sanitary floor plan. So there it is. I got an issue there. I'll have to fix that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. We'll do our hot and cold water. So, hey, guys, thanks again for watching. Everybody be safe. And like I said, I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Helps me make these videos for you all the time. So there we go. There's our sanitary system. I've got to fix that. Not sure what happened there. But anyway, guys, be safe and bye. Talk to you soon. Bye.